Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Hello and welcome to ET Markets Crypto Q&A. I'm Aloni Bhatt. Today we have with us Swati Pincha. She's the head of growth at CoinSwitch Kuber, answering all your questions. Now, if you have any questions, do write into us at ET Markets Crypto Corner.
Hi everyone, this is Swati Pincha. I head growth at CoinSwitch. Our aim is to make India wealthy by making them invest their money. We want money to work hard for all Indians. We started with crypto, where users could start investing in crypto with just ₹100. Imagine everyone, if they wanted to, could now invest their money. This is what keeps us going, making money equal for all. So the first question that's come my way is, your YouTube channel has seen exponential growth in a record time. What is your content strategy for spreading awareness? So I think our strategy for YouTube is very simple. People, to make investment decisions, consume a lot of content on YouTube. Now, there are two ways people consume content. A, it could be through influencers. B, it could be through a natural following of the brand which promotes content. Now, content in general plays a very important role in the investing space. A lot of people do not understand basic answers to questions like, what is crypto? Which crypto should they buy? When do they buy crypto? And what is the tech behind each crypto with which they should put in their effort and money behind that crypto, right? And I think YouTube definitely is that channel where we're able to communicate in a way which is more video-led, which is, I think, the future of how we're going to be talking and engaging for mass India. And that is why I think YouTube has, given us exponential growth. We've put in a lot of time and effort to address different topics, that right from what is a crypto, we've gone to basics of a crypto. We've also done price trend analysis on crypto, which has helped us see this amazing growth in a very short time. In fact, I'm so happy that we're today among the top crypto exchanges in the country. We're actually the one YouTube channel with the highest subscriber base. Take us through the various investor education initiatives you're taking to educate Indians about this emerging yet attractive asset class. So I think education definitely plays an important role. We've realized that early on. Some of our initiatives are as follows. A, we have a bunch of writers that we've hired from the crypto background who manage our blog. It's called the CoinSwitch blog. If you haven't seen it yet, you need to. It's coinswitch.co/blog. We cover a variety of topics, right from personal finance, how to make your own portfolio, and go deeper into the crypto part of things. So which coins to buy, how much money to invest in, which are the different coins by market cap, what is the theory or the idea behind each coin. So our blog will definitely be a large repository of content that you can use to make investing decisions. The second thing is our YouTube channel. YouTube channel currently acts as a way where we share that information on the blog through video form. We also engage with various influencers in the crypto space who share with us their tips and insights on how do you basically look at price trends, what are the different parameters that you look at before investing in the crypto space. The third thing that we do is regular emailers. So we have a lot of newsletters that we send out on a weekly basis, which give an synopsis of the market as well as very good education content. It could cover both news as well as education. We try to make this in a fun, quirky, and engaging way so that users can actually read on, get hooked, and keep coming so that they can learn various things about the crypto space. The fourth thing is we've constantly put money behind good partnerships with the likes of ET, NDTV. We have advertorials across platforms like InShots, Daily Hunt, where we try and send out articles in a short summary of sorts of 500 to 600 words, where people can consume this in their own language. So in Hindi, it could be English, it could be Tamil, Telugu, many languages. Again, this would help in distribution so that we can again pass on the DYOR, do your own research, to the users who are investing in crypto. As cryptos are evolving at lightning speed, DYOR, do your own research, has gained momentum. How are you communicating this to Indians? As I just mentioned, CoinSwitch is the biggest advocate of DYOR. We've already prepared exhaustive DYOR focused blogs and videos for our readers that focus on every aspect of crypto investing. These include ways to analyze the fundamentals of different cryptocurrencies, strategies to read and understand charts better, price trends better, to understand different social media chatter that goes on, and relevance of on-chain metrics like asset liquidity, exchange inflow, pricing, etc. Additionally, we keep reminding our users how important DYOR actually is. We all know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are several other coins too. Are Indians investing in these new tokens? Oh, absolutely. Indians are definitely investing in other coins except not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, what we've noticed is definitely forms a big chunk of their investment portfolio. But I think it's the first coins that users, the first time investors actually buy. We've seen a lot of interest and a lot of trading activity on coins like Polygon, Doge, ICP, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I think people are fundamentally investing in different cryptocurrencies basis the projects it is backing. Also, price plays a very important role. Depending upon that, they actually decide which coins they want to invest in. Guys, this is not investment advisory at all. Please do your own research before you get into the crypto investing world. Is crypto trading similar to equity trading or investing? On a ground level, yes. However, the crypto space is a tad more volatile than equities. Think of crypto at that juncture today where internet was back in the day. So a lot of hands-on experience is required because crypto is more volatile. Contrary to popular belief that crypto is all about money and price extremes, the assets do share some traits with equities, including the problem-solving nature and harmony with the standard price action and chart indicators. CoinSwitch's user base is dominated by retail investors. Is hodling a good strategy for crypto investing? Yes, hodling is an excellent crypto investing strategy as it helps beat the existing volatility. Plus, hodling ensures that investor remains unaffected by sudden corrections or even sustained crashes. You just launched recurring buy plan. Can it actually help customers beat market volatility in the crypto market? Well, beating market volatility is a big statement. However, a recurring buy plan lets you set aside a small sum of amount every month as crypto investment. This might actually help you average out the erratic price movements caused due to the market volatility. It follows the concept of rupee cost averaging, which is always a good way to lower the impact of market volatility. The way it works is that you set aside a small amount of money every month. You decide which coin you want to buy, and the platform actually executes that trade on that particular date that you set every month. So for example, if in the month of February, you set it out to buy a crypto for 5th February, it may be a high, but the next month, March, may be a low. And that way, in the long run, the price basically averages out. You can also refer to our blog, which has a lot of good resources on recurring buy plan. We've also launched it on our app. So just go to our asset page, buy the crypto that you want to, and you can set a recurring buy plan with any crypto that you choose to invest in today. When to prefer RBPs over dips? Well, let's first understand what is the difference and what is dips in RBP. So RBPs, as I just explained, is a recurring buy plan. Think of SIP for mutual funds, right? Something like that is what RBP is for crypto, where you set aside a small sum of money that you invest in a coin every month or every week, depending upon how you want to go about your investing strategy. Now, dips on the other hand, which is also popularly known as buy the dip, is basically a way to invest money where whenever a coin dips below a certain percentage, at that point in time, a user goes and buys a Bitcoin. So for example, if the price of Bitcoin would suddenly fall by 10% or 5% in a span of 2 to 3 hours or 24 hours, The user would then go put in money in a platform and buy that cryptocurrency, buy that Bitcoin in this example. That is buy the dip. Now, as you can already understand, RBP, recurring buy plan, is for users who don't have the luxury of time, who are not constantly glued to their platform to find that dip of when to invest. Rather, they have a long-term investment strategy and are not looking for short-term profits on a daily basis or a weekly basis. So for them, people willing to go long on their investments, RBPs is the way to go. What is the maximum and the minimum amount of investment that you can do with RBP? Well, on our platform, you can start with as small as rupees 100, and the same is true even for RBP. So you do not need large sums of money, and the maximum amount of investment is well up to you and your risk appetite. No comments there. Does it offer users a diversified basket, or do they pick a single coin for the year? Well, for now, you would need to pick a single coin to start your RBP journey. If you want a more diversified approach, you will need to create RBPs for different coins. So for example, if you want to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum every month, on say the 2nd or the 5th of every month, then you'll have to create one recurring buy plan for Bitcoin and another recurring buy plan for Ethereum. Are there monthly, quarterly, biannual investing options available? At present, you can only pick the monthly investing option for your year-long RBP plan. However, if you have multiple RBPs, you can space out the dates equally across a month to reap the benefits of weekly or fortnightly investing. For example, you can set one RBP for Bitcoin on the 5th of every month. You can set a second RBP for Bitcoin on the 15th of every month, right? So this way you'll be actually optimizing for weekly/fortnightly investing. Can this investment amount be changed later? No, you cannot change the investment amount as of now for the existing RBP feature that is live on our app currently. However, you can always cancel the existing one and start a new one as per the new amount that you want to go with. Earlier this year, you also launched RICO Meter. What was the rationale behind this launch? We wanted to do right by our investors. Now, doing right by our investors could be is not black and white, it could be gray. Now, we realized that by launching certain cryptocurrencies like Shiba, Doge, etc., which are more volatile and riskier as compared to other cryptocurrencies, we wanted to let the investor or the user know that there are risks associated with this coin. We hope for this RICO Meter to act as an information to the user that he or she can then use to make a decision of whether he or she wants to invest in that coin or not. We believe RICO Meter is one step or one feature to doing the right thing by the user. You were the title sponsor of Asia's first Metaverse wedding. Do you think Metaverse marketing will be the next big trend, and why? Well, Metaverse is going to be the future of existence. And just to mention, it will coexist with the very real universe. There's no denying that. While the wedding was a great start, Metaverse marketing with scope for virtual media interactions, product launches, digital gaming spaces, and social interactions is very much on the cards. The reason is that it will eliminate the need for physical interactions, making everything more personalized and offer brands a lot of creative bandwidth for better expressions. Why RBP? Why recurring buy plan? How did it come to life? Well, CoinSwitch today sits on the largest user base in India today. We have upwards of 17 million users. What this means for us is this is an opportunity to understand the needs of a large spectrum of users. We have an in-house user insights team who basically get these insights from users and feed it across multiple functions in the org. One of the feedback that we got was users felt bad missing opportunities to invest money. And that's why recurring buy plan came into the mix, where we wanted to give an opportunity for people who wanted to go long in their investment, in their crypto investment journey, to be able to put in a small amount of money every month and the platform automatically buys these cryptos for them. We believe with our insights that we've gotten so far and the early access that's done pretty well on our platform, We believe this will solve a lot of our user problems.
That's it from us. Hope this was all informative. Do write in with your thoughts, and we'll see you soon.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.